wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! Mm-hmm.
We're playing with Legos.
Yeah, have you guys ever played with Legos?
Have you? There are tons of Legos out there, right?
Yeah, there are so many Legos. You could build that rainbow. You could build a rocket ship.
Yeah, you can build anything, really, anything you can imagine. And we have so many boxes.
Yeah.
We have 4 boxes of Legos.
4 boxes of Legos. I don't even know how we're going to use all of them. There are so many Legos here. Look.
Yeah.
There's
We started
wheels.
building some already.
Yeah. We were already playing because we like to play. So yeah. Okay. Okay, you get that. I'm gonna grab this one.
Let's start playing.
Okay. I'm building. And this I'm making a little a cart. Oh, yeah. And then I'm gonna have a second cart over here. This big giant thing. Like a submarine. Yeah. See, look, it's like a submarine thing.
Wow, that looks pretty cool.
Thanks.
Are you sure it's a submarine or not a helicopter? It has propellers.
Yeah, I think it's a helicopter, but I think that I'm pretending like it's a submarine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. How about you? What are you building?
I'm building a U-boat.
Ooh, very cool.
You like that?
I do. It's very, very neat. And then I need this one.
No, I need that one.
No, I need that one.
I grabbed that one first.
No, I said I needed it.
I grabbed it.
Yeah, but I had already said that I needed it.
No,
when
but
you
I
grabbed
touched it
Noah.
before you did.
No, but that doesn't matter. I already said I needed it. I called it.
No, but I touched it. I took it first. I saw it first and I took it first.
You didn't see it first or else I wouldn't have said that I needed it. No, it's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
It's mine. You broke it.
No, you broke it.
You broke it.
You broke it.
Noah.
You broke it.
You broke it. Don't stop.
You broke it.
You broke it. I'm keeping them. These ones are mine.
You broke.
No, these ones are.
I'm gonna take yours.
Don't touch my side. This is my side. Don't touch my side. No. Wow. Did you see that, kids?
You took my stuff.
No. Fine. I'll just keep all of them. They're all mine. Wow. Noah, that is so immature. You are a baby. Noah's a baby. Baby
You
Noah.
broke it.
You're a baby. No.
You're a baby.
No, you're a baby. No. Here. I don't even like playing with you anymore.
Ouch.
You're no fun.
Ouch.
Are you okay?
You hit.
Well, you threw them at me first. Are you okay? Noah. Are you okay?
You hit me in the eye.
I didn't mean to.
Yeah, you threw Legos at me.
Yeah, you threw Legos at me.
But I didn't hit you in the eye.
Yeah, but it was an accident. I didn't mean to hit you in the eye. I just threw Legos just like you threw Legos. Huh, kids?
It was my piece. I saw it first and I had my hands on it first.
I saw it first and I said I needed it first. Now look at this mess.
This is a mess.
Now we broke all the Legos, huh? Yeah, my car's gone. And my submarine that was a plane is gone.
Well, you can clean up this mess. It's all your fault.
No, it's not. I'm not cleaning up the mess. You're the one who threw all the Legos out of the thing.
I'm not talking to you.
Fine, I'm not talking to you. I'm going to just talk with the kids. Hi, kids. Hi. How are you? you. Did you see Noah throw all those Legos at me? Wasn't that mean of him? What's that, kids? I think the kids are calling us babies.
You're a baby.
You're a baby.
No, you're a baby.
No, you're a baby. Na 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 na. I'm Noah and I'm a baby. Olivia tried to take the same piece as me. Boo, boo, boo. Ow!
Yeah, see? Now you know how it hurts.
You started throwing them. I didn't start throwing them. You're mean, Noah.
No, you're mean.
Yeah,
you're a
I don't
baby.
even like playing with you.
I don't like playing with you either.
Good. Fine. Then we can never play together again. I'll just play by myself.
So stupid.
Jeez. Noah. I'm just going to build this by myself.
Can I have my submarine back?
I thought you weren't talking to me.
Fine, I'll just get it from you. Give it back to me!
No, you aren't talking to me. And you put it over here.
You know what? Whatever.
What? Yeah, whatever.
I'm just gonna go.
Okay.
I don't want to deal with you
All
anymore.
right. Bye, Noah. Wow. Did you see that, kids? He threw stuff at me and threw the Legos down and... Ugh. Boys! Jeez! They're so mean and they have to throw things and... This is such a mess. We're going to get in a lot of trouble. There are Legos everywhere. But that wasn't Noah's fault though, wasn't it, kids? Ugh. Well, I guess I also stole the piece. Aw, man. I think it was both of our fault. Hi, Noah.
Hey, Olivia. So, what do we do now?
I think that I'll give you part of your boat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And maybe next time, maybe we could share the piece.
Yeah, maybe we should have shared it. We should have...
Yeah.
We could have just built a new one. Like, I could have given it to you and I could have just built a new one.
Yeah, and I could have given it to you and I could have built a new one. Or we could have built something with it together. Or... And now there's a big, big mess, huh?
Yeah. If Mom and Dad sees this, they're not going to be happy with us.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to clean it all up before they come in our room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Olivia. I didn't mean to hurt you or throw things at you. I shouldn't have done that.
I'm sorry, too. I didn't mean to throw things at you either. And I'm sad I hit you in the eye. Is your eye okay?
Yeah, it's okay again.
Yeah.
Is your cheek okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Do you want to build something together?
Yeah. Do we want to build maybe like a big tower?
I was thinking more of a spaceship or something. Like
what if
something that can fly.
Yeah. What if we build a big spaceship that has like an observation tower?
Oh, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah. It'll
That's
have
a
both
good compromise.
things. Yeah. That's a good
It
compromise.
has something you like, it has something that I like.
And then we can play together and use all the pieces. Look how many pieces we have.
I know. We
Yeah.
have so much.
So much.
And then we don't fight over it.
Yeah, and we won't have to fight at all.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start building the
So
spaceship.
why don't we take blue and red? Since red is your favorite color and blue is my favorite color, this will be a type of spaceship tower with blue and red.
Yeah, it'll
Does
be.
that sound good?
Yeah, a blue and red spaceship tower. That sounds great. And then
Okay.
we can use the clear parts for the windows.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I think there's an engine somewhere.
I think so too, and I know we have like computer pieces. So how about you be the co-pilot? Can I be the pilot?
Yeah, we can take turns. Maybe you be the pilot the first time, and then I'll be the pilot the second time.
Oh yeah, that sounds good. Or we're both co-pilots. How about that?
Oh yeah, we can both be co-pilots because you have to have two pilots to fly a plane
Yeah.
or a rocket ship or anything.
Yeah,
Probably.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's do
That's
that.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Can I hug you?
Aw. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Oops. We
That's
keep
okay.
dropping more Legos.
That's okay. We'll
there's
clean
so
it
many,
up.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we'll clean it up. We'll clean it up by building the biggest rocket ship ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, kids, I think we'll say goodbye for now. But remember, if you do fight with one of your siblings, if it's a brother or a sister,
Yeah, or even a friend.
yeah, always try to make up because,
Yeah.
you know, you'll fight and it's not going to be nice, but you should at least always say, I'm sorry, because it always takes two for a fight, not just
Yeah,
one.
it takes two.
And it wasn't Olivia's fault, nor was it my fault. We were both at fault, and
Yeah.
we both shouldn't have done what we did. We weren't supposed to throw anything. That's not nice. You should never throw anything at people.
Yeah, that's right.
Never do that.
Yeah, and don't, if you both grab something, then just go, okay, hold on. What do you need it for? What do you need it for? And then you can talk about it and decide, and maybe you can share it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So sharing is caring. So don't throw things, don't fight. And if you do happen to have some sort of discussion, always say I'm sorry, because we people, we love each other too much and we shouldn't be fighting.
Yeah, and it's much more fun to play with each other than to yell at each other.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like we're doing right now. We're going to build a nice spaceship.
Yeah, and
with
we're
a
going to have
tower.
the best time.
And that's called compromise too.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to compromise. You have to give up a little bit of being able to do something the other person wants and you want to do.
Yeah, but you can also just think of it as taking the best part of his idea and the best part of my idea and putting them together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you got that, kids?
Yep.
Okay. Thanks for watching
Thanks
Dream
for
Again.
watching. Bye.
And we're gonna play with the Legos now. Big
Big ship with
tower
a
ship.
big tower.
Okay.
Okay.
See you.
See you next
Bye.
time. Bye. Bye, kids.
Here, what if we take this?
Oh yeah.
Here,
and-
why don't I start organizing all of it?
And I'm gonna start grabbing all the red ones.
And we should probably put it on our green plate.
Yeah.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!